Hey man, y'all see it, bruh. The OG Air Jordan 11 collection is finally complete, and I was only waiting on these Legend Blue guys. But in today's video, bruh, today's video is gonna depend and rely on you guys. I need everybody's interaction and their comments on what they think is the best OG Air Jordan 11 of all time. You guys see them? We got the Concords, we have Space Gems, we have the Breds, and of course, the Legend Blue guys. We gotta talk about today's video and see what y'all feeling about these OG Air Jordan 11 things. Let's get right into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. Yes, we are about to relive the classic year of 1995, the heat that Jordan brought on court. And of course, we do have to show the cool grades. We gotta show the cool grade guys. He did not wear them in 95. He wore them later in his career when he played for the Wizards. But, you know, some people don't really classify that as OG, even though Jordan did wear them during his playing career, just not 1995. So I know some people gonna be in the comments saying you should have added those into. I already know there's gonna be some talk, but we're going to talk about the cool grades. But I did want to, you know, prioritize the four that he did rock on court, and we have to discuss which ones you think, you know, had the most significance, holds the most value, not monetary, but value in terms of being a sneakerhead, and just what's the best overall, man. I cannot wait to see you guys' comments. Almost every single year we do a video like this, kind of breaking down some of the best Jordan 11 colorways, even if they're non-retros. And of course, you guys know next year we be getting the gammas. So I think it's gonna be one of those debates next year. We're talking about which one is the best, like 9 OG Jordan 11 colorways, because the gammas hold a lot of weight. You know what I'm saying? Jordan never wore them. So we're gonna have to do that next year in 2025. But today, you know what the agenda is. We're talking about them OG things. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, please, y'all do nothing else, man, give a huge like on today's video. It's crazy, bro. We be getting more comments than likes. I'm over here scratching my head like, how people comment and ain't liking? So I need y'all to do me a favor. Do me a solid, man. If you're watching, you commenting, you enjoying the content, take a couple seconds out your day and leave a huge like for your boy. It helps the channel, you know what I'm saying? It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. All right, guys, I think first and foremost, we have to start off with, you know what I'm saying, the Concord, guys. I gotta wipe the dust off them things, but go ahead and check out the Air Jordan 11 Concords. He wore these in the 1995 playoffs. And I just feel like, you know, with that whole patent leather look, the mesh upper, just the new look that Tinker did, you know, mock up for him, and they actually executed very, very well. I'm pretty sure, you know, behind the scenes, they were wondering, you know, how is a patent leather sneaker going to do? How are people going to gravitate towards it? And as you guys can see, they did create a masterpiece, in my opinion. And this is a Concord. I know a lot of people say this is the best Air Jordan 11 of all time. Some people even say this is the best Jordan of all time. I wouldn't go as far as saying that, but the Concords definitely hold a lot of weight. And just something to, you know, talk about real quick. We got the Legend Blue 11 lows recently. We got the Bred 11 lows a couple years back. We're getting them again in 2025. And we also got the Space Gem lows. But something we haven't gotten in a while is the Concord lows. So hopefully we'll be seeing those sometime soon. You guys know these released back in 2018, if I'm not mistaken. And it's about time we get a retro or some sort of, you know, rendition to the Concords. I know we just got the Gratitudes, but it ain't the Concord. So, you know, they might put these in the vault for a little bit longer. But you guys let me know how you feel about the Air Jordan 11 Concords, one of the best Jordans of all time. We got the 4.5 on the back. The presentation wasn't too crazy, but in terms of the quality and the, you know, the sneaker just even come back in itself definitely means a lot. And a lot of OG sneakerheads out there gonna say, yo, this is the best of all time. But I gotta see you guys' thoughts, gotta see your opinions. But for the first Air Jordan 11 we're gonna talk about has to be the Concords. You guys can check them out. Let me know how you feel about it. 4.5 on the back. I wore them a couple times. You guys know how that yellow ain't gonna do for an icy blue sole, but hey, they holding up well. And I love these things right here, man. All right, guys, and next we have to talk about, you know what I'm saying, probably one of the best as well. Like, all of these shoes, it's just up there for being one of the best of the silhouette and the best of all time. They hold a lot of weight. You guys seen what the lows did this year as well when it came to these. Air Jordan 11 Space Jam. Like, he also wore these in the 1995 playoffs. Super different. Like, you would think going back then, and I know I'm kind of thinking outside the box, but to see him wearing an all black Jordan 11 probably caught a lot of people by surprise, but it translated well. It translated well even 20 years later, 30 years later. This shoe is still loved by everyone. And no matter which generation does get these, every time they retro, they're going to sell out and people are going to buy them. Just look at what the lows did. I was really surprised by the lows. I thought it was going to sit. I thought Jordan 11s was, you know, something that was far in between of what people was looking for. But the Space Jam lows did very, very well. And we got these back in 2016 or 2017. I can't remember. But this is the first sneaker review I've ever done on YouTube. I first picked up a camera, was talking about these Space Jams. Crazy. Whole lot of weight for me, you know, a lot of significance. Always wanted the Space Jams growing up. And then for this to be my first video, I thought that was super, super cool. But you guys see, man, the next Jordan 11 that we're going to be talking about, the Space Jam, guys. 4.5 on the back. Got that nice Concordish, purplish, whatever color you want to call it, Jumpman on the side. And then just, you know, just a crazy Jordan 11. I love them. Hopefully we get a retro soon because I just always got to have a crispy pair of Space Jams, no matter what. No matter how many times they drop them, I'm telling you, bro, these 4 Jordan 11s are going to sell out because they just hold that much weight, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to leave that there. You guys let me know how you feel about the Space Jam, guys. Is this the best of all time? Are these even better than the Concords? I don't know. I'm going to rank it towards the end of the video. I need you guys' thoughts and feedback on the Space Jams. And then the next Air Jordan 11 that was unveiled, you know what I'm saying? Something that I thought was a little bit interesting as well, matching his all-star game uniform. And we talking about no other than the Air 2011 Legend Blues. And if you don't know, man, I did my top 10 videos, top 10 sneaker pickups of the year video a couple days ago. And by surprise, you know, these were my #1 sneaker of the year. So the whole time I thought it was gonna be the military blues, the 4s. It turns out that these, you know, Legend Blues kind of just took it all the way up for me in terms of the best of the year for me personally, you know what I'm saying, in terms of pickups. I just love these things, man. And I feel like a lot of people, you know, not too shabby on them now just because we got so many other things coming out. They heard the Gammas are released next year. They're going to push these to the side, but I just don't know how, man. This is OG. Jordan was rocking these things, all-star game. I just thought this was a very, very clean colorway, all white. Columbia, guys, Legend Blue, whatever you do want to call it, with the nice icy blue bottoms. But this is one of the ones to me. And then last but not least, we got to talk about, and I'm telling you, bro, these right here probably gonna, you know, landslide everything else in terms of the Jordan 11s, because these right here, no, they can drop these tomorrow. And I guarantee you these choices gonna sell out eventually and people are going to buy them. They can just drop them whenever they want. And that is the Air Jordan 11 Breds. Now recently we just got a satin Bred 11, playoff 11. It was weird, you know. I had to review them on the channel just to see, you know, what was Nike, what was Jordan doing, and those still sold out. You can't find them nowhere unless you buy them on Gold or whatever, but they going, bro. The Bred colorway holds a lot of weight, just super, super clean. Again, that patent leather just so nice on the side, and of course the high cut, which he did rock back in the day, like I said, 1996 in the playoffs. Thought this is probably, to me, I'm gonna wait to unveil my list, my rank of the Air Jordan 11s, but by far one of the best of all time. And of course it's gonna be up there, you know, in terms of just this being a Jordan 11 silhouette. So I cannot wait to see you guys' comments. How y'all feeling about the Bred playoff Air Jordan 11, guys? Let me see what y'all thinking, man. And then last but not least, we got to talk about a man. He wore these later in his career, and this happens to be one of my favorite shoes of all time as well. It just seems like an 11 is going to be in everybody's top 5 or top 10 sneakers in their collection, and this is no other than the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. Now, it was so many times I wanted to pull the trigger, you know, growing up a little bit, you know, earlier in my life. I said, bro, I need the Cool Grays. And when I heard they were coming out, rumored to come out, I said, I'm gonna hold my ducats. And then eventually we finally got these things. I love the Cool Grays. It's just a very, very subtle, clean colorway. He rocked these when he was, you know, playing for the Wizards, like I said, later in his career. So a lot of people kind of don't shed too much light on this one because he did not wear it in 95, 96 season. But still, to me, bruh, one of the coolest sneakers, man. No pun intended, bro. I love them, bro. You guys let me know how you feel about it. Cool gray, 11 guys, icy blue bottoms, a nice suede nubuck on the upper, bro. It's just clean, bro. I love it, man. But again, not a lot of people feel the cool rays. I don't know what happened to all that. I remember growing up, people love these joints, but gotta see what you guys thinking. Cool grays, gotta put it up there because Jordan did actually wore these on court. So now it comes down to me ranking all of these in order. 5 Jordan 11s. So let me go ahead and get straight into it, bro. Starting from 5 all the way to 1. And I know I told y'all I love all of them, but you know, of course, gotta make it entertaining. I gotta give you guys my ranking. And for number 5, it has to be the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray. Still super dope. I love them, but I had to do it, bro. Probably one of my least favorite, but still one of my favorite, if that makes sense. Gotta rank them, gotta make it entertaining. So number 5, gotta go with the Cool Grays. Number 4, y'all gonna hate me in the comment section, but number 4, to me, bro, y'all might be mad, is the Air Jordan 11 Space Jams. Again, one of my favorite of all time, but for video purpose only, we gotta rank them. So I gotta give these number 4. Number 3, even though this is my sneaker of the year, I gotta keep it true to the game, bro. I gotta let you guys know how I really feel. And number 3 has to be the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. Now I know everybody about to go crazy with me saying that they over the Space Jams and the Cool Grays. Yes, to me, my personal opinion, you know what I'm saying? This is number 3 to me, bro. My personal opinion. And then number 2, ooh, this is tough. This one was tough, but again, I gotta keep real, man. Number 2 has to be the Concords, and number 1 of all time, in my opinion, when it comes to the Jordan 11 colorways, is the playoff Air Jordan 11s, bro. Just look at them. They just take the cake on any landslide. I even would take these over the Bred ones, you know, so I'll put these over the Bred ones. And a lot of you guys probably would not believe me saying that, but yes, bro, I love the playoff Bred 11s. They just so immaculate in a class of its own. So for number 1, for me, all-time OG Air Jordan 11s, gotta give it to the playoff Air Jordan 11 guys, man. So again, I need to see you guys rankings, see what y'all feeling about the OGs. We got a couple that have released over the last couple years. Next year, we will begin some non-OG colorways that still hold a lot of weight. But I cannot wait to read y'all comments. Y'all go crazy with that like button. If you are new here and you enjoy the content, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell ASAP Rocky so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. All that's been said, man, we got some more content coming. And I think somebody said something about them black metallic guys, them reimagines that's releasing in 2025. Hey, stay tuned, man. With all that's been said, again, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.